So today I'll be showing you how to reset the Apple Magic Mouse without a Mac or a MacBook. Now, of course, if you have a Mac or a MacBook which is already connected to the mouse, it's very easy. All you have to do is go to the Bluetooth settings and forget this mouse, and that's going to reset its settings. Now, if you do not have a Mac near you and your mouse is not connecting to other devices, it's probably because it has too many Bluetooth connections stored on it and you need to reset it. So to reset a Magic Mouse without a Mac, first thing you need to do is turn the mouse off. Now, of course, you need to make sure the mouse is sufficiently charged. Now, with the mouse off, you want to press and hold the button. So just press and hold like that. And then while you're still holding it, you want to turn it on. Just flick the switch to turn it on while still holding the button, and you want to hold it for another 5 to 10 seconds. And if you have one of these older magic mouses, you're gonna see the light here start blinking, but this is a newer one, it doesn't have that light. But when you hold it for 5 to 10 seconds and then let go, that's gonna completely reset all the Bluetooth connections of your magic mouse. So now it should go into pairing mode immediately. So now if you go to your computer's Bluetooth settings and try to find it, you should get it in the Bluetooth settings. Thanks for watching and good luck.